This tutorial will assist you in creating calendars for your classes so your students and parents can access them. First thing, open up Google Calendars. You can see on the screen I have Google Calendar up, and on the left menu bar you can see all the different calendars that I've created. To create a new calendar, right to the right of My Calendars is a left down arrow. Left click once on that. You'll have a couple options. Select by left clicking Create New Calendar. Now you have an opportunity to create this calendar. Next to calendar name in the text box, type the title of your class. For this example, I will use biology. Now that I've typed biology, I will then left click once on share this calendar with others. The default will always allow everyone in the organization of Reese Puffer to have access to this calendar. Then click create calendar. You'll notice that on your left margin you will have that new calendar. My example here, biology, will show up under your calendars. To the right of that new calendar, on the down arrow, left click once and select calendar settings. There are two things that we need to assist you in getting your calendar to go live on our website to be accessible to your students and parents. They actually are two different URLs. They are located next to the calendar address here. You will see a bright green button that says iCal and a blue button that says HTML. We will be grabbing each one of the URLs that are on this button. So first thing you want to do is for the iCal, you're going to left click once and you'll notice a long URL. What I'd like to have you do is grab that URL by highlighting it and then copying it. The next step is opening up your email. You are going to send me an email with these two URLs. So I'm going to type my own name in and it comes up. I will then list this as calendars. What I want you to do now is you need to list the hour of the class and the title of the class before you paste in those URLs. For this example, I used biology, so I will say biology first hour. And then I'm going to hit return and I'm going to paste that URL in. Now what I need to make sure I do is list this as the iCal URL. I'm going to hit return a few times and the next URL I'm going to grab is the HTML. So I'm going to downsize this right now and go back to my calendars. And now that I have that, I can close that out. And now I'm going to left click once on the blue HTML button and I'm going to highlight and copy this URL. So control copy that. I am now going to take that back to the email that you're going to send me, and next to HTML under biology first hour I'll hit return and I'll paste that in. I will show you one more example. Let's say my second hour is physics. I'm going to hit return. I will type in ICAL. I'll hit return and now I'm going to create a new calendar. So I'm going to go back out of this. I'll arrow back and under my calendars I'm going to create a new calendar and I'm going to title this one physics. So I go to the down arrow, left click once. I'm going to create a new calendar. Next to calendar name I'll type in physics and I'm going to type it correctly. And then I'm going to left click on share this calendar. I'm going to create it. I'll watch it come up and once it pops up, there it is. I'm going to go to the down arrow, left click once, go to calendar settings. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and next to calendar address I will click once on iCal. I'll highlight that URL, control copy. I'll bring back the email. I'll go down to where that iCal is. I will paste it in. And then I'm going to type in HTML, return, and then I'll go back and grab the HTML URL. There it is. I highlight it, I copy it, I bring back my email, scroll down, and paste it. So in this example, I'm going to be sending myself two different classes with two URLs under each one. the iCal URL, and the HTML. You'll notice again, you're listing the title of your class and the hour that you have it. You'll do this for each one of your preps and then send that to me, and then I can assist you in getting your calendars to go live on our website. I hope this has helped. If there's anything that we can do to help you further, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.